Hello, SolidWorks users. Here I'm going to demonstrate how to make a this part for the assessment task one. So the first thing we do is I generate a sketch in the that is in the front plane. Now, few reference points are needed here. That is the coordinate system. That is the first reference system. That is the second vertical. And then I need one, yeah, adding dimensions, or from that reference point here to this reference point at the center, a small dimension that to 90 divided by 2, and then from that coordinate system to this one, oh, add a small dimension between this one and that one. That is just half of 85. 85 divided by 2. Then between that center and here, that's going to be half of the 190. 190 divided by 2. All right. Now these points are almost fixed. Let's make sure that all these key points are vertical, and also make sure that these 2 points are horizontal. Zero. Approve. And now one circle radius of 8, another 8 here, and one outer circle radius of 28, one outer circle here, the radius of 24, and one circle radius of 35, one outer circle radius of 50. Okay, so here I can add this circle to that circle with a fillet of 25. But before that, I need a sharp edge. Let's trim this edge first. And now this sharp edge can be filleted. Go to the fillet, and that's radius of 24. So I select that apex, so that does the fillet. And also I need a sharp edge here, so let's have this one trimmed. And then again we have a fillet of 24 to that apex. All right, and then we add 2 center lines, one from the center of coordinate system all the way up. The other one is center line from the center of coordinate all the way left. And now we can get rid of the unwanted parts. Remove that. This one, that one, this, 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 that. And also even the half of that shape can be mirrored later. That one, this, and a little bit left over here. All right, so now the quarter of the shape is ready. We can do double mirror. First, I invoke the mirror, and then what entities to be mirrored. I can do the multi-selection like so, and then maybe that line shouldn't be included because that is a mirror line. All right, now we mirrored half of the shape. Again, you invoke the mirror, and then this time doing the multi-selection for here, that line extruded, and this line would be a part of the mirror. So now we got the gasket constructed with the minimum operation. I mean, we only made a quarter and then mirrored that twice. So now this shape is ready to be converted. Oh, I forgot to get rid of this part. Let's go back and edit it. Thank you. So in the edit, I don't need that. So when these are mirror, I got it off the top one, the bottom one should go, which for some reason is still there. Never mind. And now, yeah, something not quite right here. That circle, it seems, yeah, all right. So these are not mirrored properly. So I go back to what we did with the mirrors. Oh, so do it again. That is, yeah, this mirror line is not correct. For some reason, this point and this point are not horizontal. Make them horizontal now. Or maybe I just get rid of this line. And this point and this point are okay. Now let's do the center line. And yeah, I made a mistake when I was trying to do the trimming and positioning the horizontal center line. Now this hopefully being amended. Okay, now this is the quarter of the shape, and that is not needed. Now the quarter of the shape is complete. So let's go to, yeah, that should go also. I invoke the mirror and do the multi-selection for these curves, and that line is not included. This line is not included. Because these are the mirror lines that make half of the shape. Again, we invoke the mirror tool, selecting the parts and deselecting that line, this line, because these are the mirror line. Now the gasket is complete. So hopefully that is ready for extrusion. I pre-select that, go to the feature, and have this one extruded for 5 mil. Okay, 5 mil. Add the material, make it out of aluminum 6065. One. Apply, close, and that's it. Now this part is being made. Save, and then I make a drawing out of that just by going to the file, make drawing. A4 is good. Just drag the front view, place it here, and automatically the center lines are there. So adding a smart dimension is easy. So I do a few of them. All right. So I hope this recording helps you to complete your assessment, and see you soon. Bye.